Woo! Gotta stretch it out. Hola, surprise, it's me, Sassysamey or Sam here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. For those of you guys who are returning, hi, how are you? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today's video is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing. This is going to be my second box. I believe this is for April's. Yes, because it's May. I am kind of late. I already opened it because I was really excited, and I didn't think I was going to film this video, but I figured, oh, what the hell, go for it anyways. So here it is. If you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, I believe it is $21 a month. One second. Well, look that up. Yep, it is $21 a month, and I will leave a link down below for you to go ahead and check it out. It is a monthly subscription box, so you get 5, I want to say, full-size products in this box, which is freaking amazing, okay? So it looks like this. I already opened it, so I already know what's inside, but I'm going to share it with you anyways. And then on the inside, once you open it, this is the info card. Oh hey, it has like a 10% off coupon on the back. So it has coupons on the back, and then it just explains what this month's theme is. So this month's theme is eye candy, and then it has everything listed that's in the box. Sure, let's get started. So the first thing in here is the Ades High Definition Liquid Lipstick in, does it say what color it's in? Usually it would say it on the top, right? Maybe it's on the inside, so we'll see. Ow. Just jabbed my finger. Ah. This box does not want me to open it. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so this one is in the color... What the flap? It has like no color on it. How am I supposed to know what color this is? Okay, so it is a liquid lipstick. Let's look at, oh, I actually don't have lipstick on today, so maybe we'll try. Ooh, ooh, that is so pretty. Hold on one second. It's really tacky. Is it supposed to be, because it says a liquid lipstick, so you would think that it would dry down a little bit, but it feels more like a really sticky lip gloss. I don't know if I like that, because I normally don't like sticky lipsticks or lip glosses, because I'm not trying to eat my hair, okay, when it's windy. Ain't nobody got time for that. So anyways, there's that. I'm gonna try that out. I don't know, maybe it'll dry throughout this video. I'll let you know at the end. The next thing is by Tarte, which I'm really excited about because I love Tarte. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. What? In Stunner. Boom. Ooh, is this a full size? Oh, this one is $24. $24. Okay, well, you get, how much do you get in this? 0.23 ounces in this little container. It's a really thick container compared to like all of my other liquid lipsticks. Let me see. My Time Los Angeles one, which is $16, I believe. This one has 0.22 ounces. Hold up. So this one has 0.22 ounces, and this one has 0.23 ounces, and I'm gonna pay, what is that, $16, $24, $8 more for like 0.01 ounces? Girl, you playing. So this, I don't know if I like. I still feel it on my lips. It's been a couple minutes. Doesn't have a weird taste. But anyways, that's $24. So if you want one of these, it's $24. This one, the full size, is $29. See, liquid highlighters, I can do. I could pay for that. That's cool. This one is in Stunner. Oh, girl. It's a little bit chunky. Oh, is that my hair? Or, oh, that is my hair. Oh, here it goes. I was going against the grain because I have like hair right here. Girl, damn. Okay, is there like, damn, look at that. Ooh, Ooh, ooh. If you want to be shining like a disco ball, go ahead and put that on there. Okay. I like squeezy tubes because it's easier to use. It's travel friendly and you can pack it everywhere and it doesn't, you know, break or anything. So that's pretty cool. But damn, this highlighter, ooh, ooh. You won't see me wearing that. Wow. And it's not sticky anymore, but it does dry really nicely on the skin. Look at my finger. I feel like the aluminum tin can man. Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's really pretty. I'm really excited about that. The next thing, which I'm really, really excited about, is a skincare item. This is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask, Dr. Brandt. I've actually tried 1 or 2 things from Dr. Brandt, but I've never tried this one. And it's basically a mask. Does it say anything? This, wow! This thing is $47. Damn, okay. I'm gonna make sure to use you real slow. So it says it refines pores, extracts, unclogs, and tightens the look of pores and reduces excess oil from the skin surface. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna use that for like my, what is that? My T-zone, because that's the only place that I get really, really deep pores, and also I get super oily in this area. So I'm really excited to try that out. The next thing in here is by Tanya Crooks. It is the Brow Gal. It says light hair. I don't have light hair. I have really dark hair. So this might not be my shade. This one retails for $22. Okay. But it's a tinted brow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural feel to their eyebrows. Okay, yeah, this is not gonna match my eyebrows because they're really, my eyebrows are hella dark. So if I put this on, it's just gonna look ashy. So close, BoxyCharm, so close. Like, this is like a light ash. Like, this isn't for me. I already know. But if you guys can see that, it's like right there. Yeah, that's not gonna, nah, my eyebrows, that's like for a blonde girl. Like, do I look blonde to you? So it's not gonna work for me. So if any of you, I wonder if I have any friends that have light brown, like light, I can give this to. But yeah, that's actually a really cool concept though. And the very last thing, which I'm really excited about because I don't have anything like this, from ColourPop. I have a lot of stuff from ColourPop. But this is the Element of Surprise ColourPop eyeshadow palette, which I'm pretty excited about because I love ColourPop eyeshadows. I love their liquid lipsticks, but I haven't tried an actual one from the pan. And look at these colors. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm never gonna use that color. Okay, I might use that as like an inner highlight or to make a color more pink, but I don't know if I'd actually wear that by itself. Everything else in this palette has my name on it. Like, here, I'm gonna swatch this for you. Look at that. Zam. Bam. Wham bam, thank you, man. Look at that pigment. Good lord. Wow. Okay, let's do like a shimmery one because I love shimmer shades. Look at that. Ooh, girl. Okay, let's do this one. Wow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I should show you. So pretty. I know. My hand's a ditty. I forgot all of my napkins. Anyways, that was it for my BoxyCharm. If you guys have subscribed to BoxyCharm, definitely leave a comment down below and tell me what you guys got in yours. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you do, you can go ahead and follow me on all my social media links. So I will leave all those down below. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, any of those those fun stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. My phone is going off right now. Sorry. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Because I normally don't like sticky lip. Hi, how are ya? Hi, how are ya? It's easier to travel. Like, it's traveler. That was a bad idea. Okay. Bye.